Now we're going to study about oncogenic microbes. It's not only like that. Some carcinogens, genes are involved in cancer, but some microorganisms that are involved in cancers. And most common is EBV variant, question 1. The EBV is causing Burkitt lymphoma. If you guys remember in last lectures, we're done with the Burkitt lymphoma. It's causing by the mix C, an interaction between chromosomes 8 and 14. Okay? And we also having the Hodgkin lymphoma that is causing by the Epstein-Barr virus, nasopharyngeal carcinoma in primary centronemesis, some lymphomas. The Epstein-Barr virus, when MCQs are high, having swine euphoridated. This one disease are caused by Epstein-Barr virus. On this is like the symptom of Burkitt lymphoma. They are having the mutation of 8 and 14. It is caused by a causative agent, which disease will be caused, which disease will be affected by seeing causative agent like EBV agent, then which is the same disease will be predicted in that patient that can be nasopharyngeal carcinoma, Hodgkin lymphoma, or primary centronemesis system lymphomas. Okay, it can be asked to like that, like saying a simple one disease and saying like with the same agent infectious can be that patient can get. And we're having the hepatitis B and C viruses that will cause a hepatocellular carcinoma. We're having human herpes 8 that will cause a Kaposi sarcoma, mostly to immunocompromised patient who are taking steroids or affected by human influenza. Why? Did HIV patients also into the AIDS? And secondly, having the HPV, human papilloma virus, usually type 16, 18, 31, 33, and they can cause cervical, benign, in a carcinoma, head and carcinomas. Actually, they can mostly cause by suppressing the tumor suppressor genes, it having C6 and C7 infected that are going to suppress our tumor suppressor genes RBN. P53, if you guys know it, is present a checkpoint between H1 and S1. In H. pylori, we're having gastric adenocarcinoma. The H. pylori is basic cause of gastric adenocarcinoma and marked lymphoma. For H. pylori, we are giving triple therapy, 2 antibiotic plus 1 proton pump inhibitor. If it did not effect, we are going to a quadrotherapy in which we are adding bismuth. And the HTLV that is causing the adult T-cell leukemia, lymphoma, everflow, quinquilin shows of carcinoma, and cyscos. Soma hematobium is causing a squamous bladder cancer. How it is going to actually this microorganism lay there in the bladder that causes irritation and that transition epithelium convert into squamous, stratified squamous epithelium. And that is called metaplasia. And due to this metaplasia, it will convert to dysplasia in certain squamous cell precancer. You guys know about the lung smell, bronchi, metaplasia, esophagus metaplasia. And this is one new example you can remember. There's Cisco. So my hematobium squamous cell precancer is also example of metaplasia. Because this organism lay there in the bladder, they cause the irritation in transition epithelium and that we convert to stratified squamous epithelium. Okay? And it is not a simple thing, the oncogenes. And the cancer cells, it's not only producing by mutation, it's not only producing by carcinogen, but it can also produce by microbes or microorganisms.